Do you want to edit Facebook Reels caption after posting? You can change Facebook Reels caption with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To edit a Facebook Reels caption after posting. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. Scroll down to the Reels section and find the reel you want to edit. Once found, tap on the three dots menu icon at the top right of the video post. A pop-up menu will appear. From the menu, select Edit Post. Now, edit the caption text as you want. You can remove the old caption and enter a new one. After making changes, tap on the Save button at the top right of the screen. Your Facebook Reel caption will now be updated with the new text.